Welcome to the AutoSys training video. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use the quick edit capability in AutoSys to explore different search types, search jobs, and view their details, and create an override for a job. To enhance the learning experience, we will use an example of a fictitious bank called Hedmoral Bank to demonstrate how and when to use the quick edit interface to view and define new workload objects. The IT operations team at Hedmoral Bank utilizes AutoSys to manage batch jobs for various banking functions, such as end-of-day processing, transaction reconciliation, and reporting. They run a critical batch job, end-of-day processing, every day. This job aggregates daily transactions, updates account balances, and generates end-of-day reports. Typically, the job uses standard parameters for normal days. However, during end-of-month, EOM, or special reconciliation events, additional data needs to be processed. For these occasions, the job must be run with different parameters, such as extended data ranges or additional reconciliation checks. To tackle this challenge, the IT operations team decided to override the end-of-day processing job with different parameters for one run without permanently altering the original job definition. Before we create an override for a scheduled job, let's understand the override action. For an override job, once a property is modified, the change is valid only for the job's next run. The modified attribute will automatically revert to its previous value after the job's next run. Let's enter our training environment to create an override for a scheduled job. Log in to AutoSys Web UI and navigate to the Quick Edit interface. Under the Search section, ensure that the required AutoSys server is selected. Next, explore the Type drop-down. You can notice different object types are available. Select the calendar type to see its specific search parameters. Now, select the job type and observe the various search options available here. To search for a job, enter a partially qualified job name in the search field and click Go. The search results section lists jobs matching the entered name. Refine your search by adding a machine name. The results update to show jobs matching both criteria. Click on the job you want to view. Its details will be displayed under different panels. Here, you can view various attributes of the job, such as primary details, commands, and scheduling. To create an override, search for the job using its partially qualified name. Edit Object dialog opens. From the Actions dropdown, click on Create Override. The job now refreshes in Create Override mode, allowing modifications. Under the Properties area, change the command parameter. Click Save Override to apply the changes. AutoSys displays a confirmation message, indicating the job override created successfully. Whenever this job executes next, it will use the new value just for that run. Once executed, it will revert back to its original settings. By overriding the job, the operations team at Hedmoral Bank quickly addresses the demand, modifying the end-of-day processing jobs properties for its next run only. Thank you for watching the training video.